Hello everyone, welcome back to WPGeoBuddy. Today we are going to talk about another GeoDirectory add-on called the GeoDirectory Advanced Search add-on. This is a paid add-on which you can purchase from WPGeoDirectory.com. So this GeoDirectory Advanced Search add-on gives us the flexibility to take the default GeoDirectory search widget and add even more fields to the search widget to filter or search listings, including search autocomplete, geolocation, proximity city, search radius, and search filtering by any custom field. So in this way, it provides us with the flexibility to search any geodirectory listing using custom fields and much more. So let's find out how this advanced search add-on works. First, we have come to our GeoDirectory site where we will click on Add New in Plugins and we will install and activate our GeoDirectory Advanced Search add-on. If we talk about the current situation, our default GeoDirectory widget only shows us the normal search add-on, which is what the search widget is displaying. As soon as we activate this add-on, we get an advanced search tab in the GeoDirectory settings, which, when clicked, gives us some settings related to autocomplete settings and Ajax search. And if we select Show Advanced, we get even more hidden settings. In the autocomplete settings, we can enable or disable whether we want to enable autocomplete for the search. So we can add our settings here according to search suggestions, meaning listings and categories, or listings only, or categories only. So tags in search suggestions means if we want to show listing tags in search suggestions, we can enable this. Minimum characters needed to trigger autocomplete means we can set the minimum number of characters here that are required for the listing to auto search. We can manage the maximum results we get from autocomplete here. If we want to show listings from child categories, we can also enable or disable that from here. Category selection action means whether the category selection should take us directly to the category page or stay on the search page until the user submits. So we can manage this setting in that way. We can enable and disable the location filter. Now there is an Ajax search setting here. So we can manage whether the search that happens here is done via Ajax or by reloading the page. So these settings were the GeoDirectory settings, which are global settings and are applicable to all post types. At the same time, for every CPT, we also get a search tab in the post type settings here, where we can manage our custom fields to convert them into search fields. Here are some of the custom fields we are using for this job CPT. If we want to use these in the search fields, we can drag and drop them from here. Right, we can show conditional fields and manage them from here. So, as I have kept the category and phone fields for searching, let's see how it works on the front end. I have configured this for the job CPT. Our GeoDirectory search page is allowed here, where editing it gives us its settings and its widget, in which we can select the default post type as auto, meaning it will automatically select our post type. It will get it automatically. If we want to search for results from some specific post types, we can select them here. If we want to hide the post type selector, hide the main search input, or hide the near search input, we can manage that from here. Now we can show whatever we want in our form area from here. Along with that, there are some other settings such as filter positioning and open customizable filters, which we can manage from here. On the front end, our category filter is visible here, and clicking here also shows our phone field. So now we can search here, for example, in the job CPT for this machine learning. Our phone number is added, so we will search here using this phone number and we get two CPTs here. We get two listings as search results which are attached to this number, meaning this number is being used in these two listings. So in this way, we can add our custom fields to the GeoDirectory search form and use them according to our needs. If you have any doubts regarding this GeoDirectory search add-on or need any GeoDirectory consultation, you can click on the book consultation button on our WPGeoBuddy.com site to book a free 30-minute one-to-one consultation with our GeoDirectory experts via Calendly. And at the same time, you can also purchase our products from here, which are GeoDirectory products available in 5 site licenses, unlimited site licenses, and single site licenses. You can also purchase our membership, which starts at $99 per year, and in which you will get our 10 premium add ons and all our future add ons as well. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.